walls. I was trapped.
Oh, it's a movie. Michelle! Hi! This is our house.
I can't get down this low. Am I in it yet?
Oh, it's a movie.
Well,
it's a movie.
Hi!
Hi, movie. This is our house.
Yay!
Chocolate at the door.
My idea. See, it was caramel. Too thick. There you go. Got a door and some windows and a highly decorative roof. And Winnie the Pooh.
With some sprinkles.
And there's some sprinkles on there.
What is it?
My phone is not part of the house, but it could have been. Yeah, no. And we're watching Sinbad.
And it's covered in an icing knife.
And our icing knife holder of Winnie the Pooh cookie. There it is. He's bleeding from the face.
Time for some screaming.
Bleeding from the face.